Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, let's introduce ourselves. My name is Eka Sofian Destuti and my friend
Roni Hidayat.
Today we will how to make keychain and keep watching guys. Fabric with size 5 cm x 5 cm. Sewing thread, spiral renteng, and then knick-knack. Tool, shooting glue, sewing needle, and then match. By step, prepare a 5 cm x 5 cm fabric, cut then fold the end with the fabric end. Second, sew every side of the fabric that has been folded. Connected until then and sew every side between the fabric to be strong. After threading, sewing with scissors and the burning using a lighter. Put spiral renteng and with the end placed in the middle. Glue using shoot glue. Next, we attach the mat or knick-knacks to cover the spiral facet to let it look no front and rear. Finally, make the keychain.